Good morning, students. Today we will discuss on topic water conservation. That is very essential, that very important in our life. So we have to conserve water. What is water conservation? Water conservation means the take care and protection of water for future generation. Water conservation also refers to reducing uses of water and recycling of wastewater for different purposes such as cleaning, manufacturing, and agriculture, irrigation. Water conservation includes the policies, strategies, and activities to manage fresh water as a sustainable resource to protect the water environment and to meet current and future human demand. Water is essential for life and is always the talk of the town, either due to too much of it or too little of it. Water conservation are economical and environmentally sound ways to reduce water consumption and store water for future use. Why should we save water? So, what are the importance of water in our life? Of all the water in the world, only 3% water is fresh. Less than one third of 1% of this fresh water is available for human use. As we know, on earth there is 97% of total water is present. Out of that, 3% water is fresh. And out of 3% fresh water, we can take only 0.03% of water from the fresh water resources. The rest is frozen in glaciers or polar ice caps or is deep within the earth beyond our reach. To put it another way, if we can say if 100 liters represents the world's water, about half a tablespoon of it is fresh water available for our use, which is very in less. The importance of water in our life: we use water in agriculture purposes for drinking, washing, fire extinguishing, recreation, industrial appliances, in hotels, in hospitals, etc. Conclusion: wasting water has become a significant environmental problem both at consumer and industrial level. Hence, it has become important for individuals and businesses alike to find out ways to reduce the wastage of water, and we have to conserve it. There are a lot of ways that we can conserve water at our home, industries, and agriculture fields. So, we have to do these activities which can restore our water. Instead of wasting or waiting for somebody else to start conserving, we have to start by ourselves. Let us, as an individual, take the first step towards conserving water. Conserve water. Thank you.